Land Rover has just introduced a selection of new ingenious four-cylinder engines for the 2018 Range Rover Evoque and 2018 Discovery Sport. The first engine is dubbed the C4240 and is a petrol-powered, turbocharged 4-pot that delivers 237 horsepower and 340 Nm, 250 pounds-ft, in both the updated Evoque and Discovery Sport. Thanks to the slightly more slippery shape of the Evoque, the engine returns 38.7 mpg, 7.3 L/100 km, in the baby Range Rover compared to the 35.3 mpg, 8 L/100 km, it returns in the Disco. The second new petrol engine introduced to both models is the C4290 that offers up 286 horsepower and 400 Nm, 295 pounds-ft, of torque. That's enough grunt to send the Evoque to 60 mph, 96 km per hour, in 6 seconds and 6.5 seconds for the Discovery Sport. Last but not least is Jaguar Land Rover's updated twin-scroll SD4 diesel with 237 horsepower. Land Rover has quoted a fuel economy rating of 44.1 mpg, 6.4 L/100 km, for the Discovery Sport but hasn't specified what the SD4 diesel Evoque will return. Beyond these new engines, JLR has updated the Evoque for 2018 with a revised color palette, optional sport seats with perforated leather and the availability of a new AC dynamic trim for the Evoque convertible. As for the 2018 Discovery Sport, it receives more comfortable seats, additional color choices and a dynamic styling pack that comes standard with the 286 horsepower petrol engine.